Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining what the keyword final does, and I'm going to be showing you guys an example of how you can use it. So basically the final keyword is basically something you add onto classes to stop someone from inheriting it. So this could be useful if you created a new file and then you're sharing it around, but you want to make sure that people don't start a subclass in your class so that they can just modify a bit and change it around. So let me create an example of this. If I create a class called person, and inside of this we can just have a var name, and this can just be an imaginary string. I'll just set it to 0, and then also var age. This can be an int, and I'll set this to 0. And now we can just go to the view controller and we can create a new person like this. So let person1 equals person, and we'll just initialize it, and then person1 dot name I'll set to aria, person1 dot age, and I'll set it to 100. So now we can print this, right? So person1 just print the name, and if I just run iPhone 12 mini, I can print this, and you can see that it's just going to work perfectly, and it's just going to print aria. There we go. So now let's try and create a subclass of this. So if I just create a class called school person, and I'll create it as a subclass of person, and we'll just add on a new variable called like school, and then this can be a string. I'll do the same here. So now if I do this, and instead of being a person I can make it a school person, you can see we will have the exact same things. So it's just going to be the same thing, but now we can add in also the school, and I'll just call this school1. And now if I print the school, you can see that we've got it. So this is a normal subclass sort of structure, and I've subclassed this person class into school person, so I can use all of these without this. Now let's say this was on a different file and just you didn't really want anyone copying this. Well, what you could do is you can add a final class on. Now if I try and run this again, you can see that it doesn't let me because I just can't inherit it, because final class does this. So basically final just means you can't inherit it. If I was to change this so that it was like this, and then try and add another class, so if I try and subclass even a school class, so let me just say class subclass school person. I can't really think of a name, but I'm just going to say school person. If I run this, you can see I can't really subclass this either because it's final. So yeah, you just add the final keyword on to stop people from allowing you to inherit it, and yeah, that's why you use it. So it's got quite a specific use case. You'd only really use it if you want to stop people from copying your thing and subclassing it and then modifying it. But yeah, apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.